Hello everyone, welcome back. You have to tie the hairs using the fingers. Roll it upward like this and fix it on the sides. You can use the clutch to fix it properly on the top. Put the spin and fix it from the right side and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will be making the ponytail as shown in the video by taking the hairs from the sides. Now tie all the hairs together. After that, rotate the hairs. After making the space in the between, rotate the hairs properly. After that, divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on the each side of the hairs. Now tie it using the rubber band to fix it. Now fold it upward and fix them on the each side on the topward section and then put the hair clutch to fix it. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and then rotate the hairs. Rotate it properly from the downside using the hairstyling tool. Now roll it down again and tie it from the between. Now fix it inside the hairs and then put the hairpin to clutch it. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to tie the ponytail, fold the hairs upward and fix it. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and then put the hairpin to fix the hairs. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs and make the ponytail. Now rotate them and fix them on the topward side on the alternative sections like this using the hairstyling tool. Now tie them together by rolling it downward like this and fix it inside the hairs and put the hairpin. Put some designer bun pins over it to make it look more beautiful and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be putting some star clips too to make it look more beautiful. First, you have to tie the ponytail. Now take this bun pin and down it like this. Now tie the hairs on the top and then tie it using a rubber band. Fix it by folding it downward. Put the hairpin like this and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.